Thank you for watching this short video on how to create a new invoice within Procore with R&R Taylor Construction. First thing you'll want to do is sign into your profile. Once you're into your profile and within our company, R&R Taylor, click into the project that you'd like to invoice for. Once you're within that project, you'll want to go to the top, click Project Tools, go to the Financial Management Tools, click on Commitments. This here will populate your contracts you have with us, whether it's a subcontract or a purchase order. Go ahead and click into that particular subcontract. Once we're within that subcontract, we're going to see here all our general information, our previous or past change orders and the statuses, any requests for quotes that we have open and or closed, and previous invoices that we have applied for. Anywhere within this profile or subcontract, we have this large orange button over here. Go ahead and click on that and let's create a new invoice. A few things that need to happen before we get to this page. Again, you need to be an invoicing contact. Your schedule of values must be approved by a project manager, and there needs to be an open billing period. So in this case there is. We're going to call this invoice number 2. It'll give a little bit of information such as the billing date and the period you're within. Below we have our scheduled values. It'll show information from previous pay applications and what we've applied for previously. You'll go to the work completed this period column and fill in the values you'd like to bill for. We're going to generate some numbers real quick, just as an example. You can also build towards your change orders here. Okay, so now that we have the values filled out, it'll give the subtotal down here as well as the retention. It'll calculate that automatically. If you scroll down, we have a few different drag and drop boxes where we could put past lien waivers or our invoices in here. We could drag and drop those here. One thing that is required is the sub and supplier form provided within your subcontract. I'll show you that now. So here you'll want to fill out who your subs and your suppliers are, a little bit of information about how to get a hold of them, and then the values that are owed and have been paid to them previously. Also, this must be signed in order for it to be valid or your pay application approved. We're going to go ahead and just drag and drop that right here. And we are just going to send this along. Once it's sent, it'll show a status of under review. Now it's in the project manager's court. Project manager from here will take a look at your pay application. They will either approve it and or put a status of revise and resubmit so that you can submit it again. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us or your project manager within that project. And thank you for invoicing through Procore.